पानी आ रहा है एम्बेसी में? Asked one ex-user from Pakistan after Indian High Commission in Pakistan made a post listing out the promises to eliminate terrorists PM Modi gave following the Pahalgam terror attack. This is not all. Many Pakistani users responded in Urdu to the High Commission's post in Urdu warning India with the dire consequences. Some Pakistanis also wanted the UN to investigate the BJP, blaming Pakistan for the terror attack. Since Pakistanis on the internet are not very bright creatures, they must be informed that the UN is not an investigating agency. The Indian High Commission had posted PM Modi's message to terrorists as well as its backers in Urdu, since Pakistan's national language is Urdu and India would rather have more and more Pakistanis understand the consequences of backing, supporting and cheering for Islamist terrorism on Indian soil. India had downgraded diplomatic ties with Pakistan following the Pahalgam terror attack, where terrorists killed civilians after finding out their religion and ensuring they were Hindus. The horrifying terror attack has shaken the core of every Indian. World leaders, including prominent Islamic nations, have condemned the terror attack and shown solidarity with India. Meanwhile, taking stern steps, India has suspended the Indus Water Treaty with Pakistan, which was a crucial source of water for the country that is home to terrorism, and closed the Wagah border at Atari. All Pakistanis are asked to leave India within 48 hours, starting Wednesday evening, and declared the military advisors at Pakistan High Commission in India as persona non grata. This has been a sharp escalation from India's side as the rest of the country awaits a more decisive action against the terrorists and their backers.